I want to talk to you today about something many people quietly suffer from. Tingling hands, weak legs, numb fingers, a shaky feeling when you walk, that strange vibration in the toes, the feeling that your legs get tired too quickly, or that your hands fall asleep before you do. These symptoms can be frightening, but more importantly, they can slowly steal your comfort, your confidence, and your freedom. What many people don't realize is that these signs often point to something deeper. Your nerves, your joints, your skin, your muscles are crying out for collagen. Not the beauty collagen people talk about online, but the real collagen your body uses to keep your nerves protected, your joints strong, your muscles steady, and your blood circulation flowing well. Here is Mary, a 72-year-old woman who kept feeling tingling in her hands and sudden weakness in her legs. She thought it was just old age until a simple test showed her collagen level was very low. Once she started adding collagen-rich snacks into her daily routine, the tingling reduced, her legs felt stronger, and she could walk with more confidence again. Most people don't know this. They think collagen is just for glowing skin. But the truth? Your nerves need collagen. Your joints need collagen. Your bones and muscles need collagen. And when your body doesn't get enough of it, you start to feel it. That's why today, I want to share with you something simple. 8 collagen-rich snacks that can naturally help reduce tingling hands, strengthen weak legs, and support your whole body. These are snacks you will love, not medicine, not complicated recipes, not expensive supplements. Just simple, natural foods that help your body rebuild itself from the inside. Let's go deeper. 1. Bone broth bites, a snack your nerves will thank you for. If the world understood how powerful bone broth truly is, so many people would feel stronger. Bone broth contains natural collagen that your body absorbs easily. When collagen enters your system, it helps protect the nerves that cause tingling. It strengthens your joints, supports muscle repair, and calms inflammation. If you've ever felt numbness in your hands or weakness in your legs, your nerves might be lacking support, and bone broth provides exactly that. You can dry bone broth into small cubes, refrigerate it, and chew on it as a salty, savory snack. Or simply sip a warm cup like tea. It's simple, comforting, healing, and deeply nourishing. 2. Sardine crackers, tiny fish, big collagen. Yes, sardines again, but this time as a snack. Sardines are packed with natural collagen, calcium, and healthy fats that protect nerves and improve circulation. Most people don't know this. They think sardines are just a cheap protein, but their collagen content is powerful, especially for tingling hands and weak legs. Spread mashed sardines on whole grain crackers or biscuits. It is a nerve-healing snack, a circulation-boosting snack, and a snack your joints will appreciate. 3. Chicken skin crisps, crunchy collagen you'll enjoy. Most people throw away chicken skin, but the truth is, chicken skin is one of the highest collagen sources in everyday food. When baked until crispy, it becomes a delicious snack that supports nerve protection, joint lubrication, muscle strength, skin elasticity, circulation in the hands and legs. If your hands tingle when you wake up, or your legs feel weak when you stand, you might be surprised how much a little collagen from chicken skin can help. 4. Collagen-rich yogurt parfait, gentle on the digestive system. A snack that comforts your stomach while nourishing your nerves. Yogurt mixed with collagen-rich fruits like berries helps restore tissues and improve blood flow. The probiotics support gut health, and when your gut is healthy, your nerves work better and inflammation drops. Tingling hands often come from poor blood flow or nerve compression. Weak legs often come from inflammation or nutrient deficiency. A simple yogurt parfait, eaten daily, can start rebuilding your collagen reserves gently but powerfully. Here is Daniel, a 68-year-old man who woke up every morning with numb fingers and a heavy feeling in his legs. Climbing stairs became difficult, and holding small objects felt strange. After adding simple yogurt with collagen-rich nut to his daily routine, his grip became stronger, the numbness reduced, and walking felt easier again. 5. Gelatin fruit cubes, a fun snack that builds stronger legs. Gelatin is basically cooked collagen, and your body absorbs it quickly. Mix gelatin with fruit juice, pour it into molds, refrigerate it, and you have delicious collagen snacks that strengthen your bones, stabilize your joints, calm irritated nerves, reduce numbness, support balance in walking. If you have ever felt sudden weakness in your legs while climbing stairs, this snack can help rebuild the collagen your muscles need for stability. 6. Egg collagen bites, small but powerful. Most people don't realize that eggs contain collagen, especially the whites. They also support nerve repair and energy production. When you boil eggs and mix the whites with avocado or fish, you get a snack packed with natural collagen and healthy fats that nourish your nerves. If your fingers tingle when you type, if your legs shake after standing, if your toes feel numb at night, egg collagen bites can slowly restore what your body has been losing. 7. Greek yogurt plus chia seed crunch for nerve and joint rebuilding. This snack is popular for digestion, but many don't know it also supports collagen production. Chia seeds help your body form collagen naturally. Greek yogurt provides protein needed for collagen repair. Together, they become a perfect snack for anyone experiencing tingling sensations, muscle weakness, wobbly legs, tired feet, poor circulation. Over time, this snack strengthens your nerves and makes your legs feel more stable. 8. Homemade collagen bars, your daily strength booster. These are easy to make and incredibly effective. Blend oats, honey, nuts, dates, and collagen powder. Press into a flat tray, refrigerate, and cut into bars. These bars feed your nerves. They nourish your muscles. They support your joints. They strengthen your legs. They help you walk with confidence. And they reduce the uncomfortable tingling that comes from weak nerves. If your hands fall asleep easily, if your legs feel shaky after walking, if your feet feel numb, this snack can give your body the collagen power it desperately needs. Collagen is not just about beauty. It is about strength. It is about mobility. It is about nerve health. It is about walking confidently. It is about living free from discomfort. These snacks make that healing journey easier. Your joints and bones also depend on collagen. When collagen drops, legs become weak, painful, or unstable. If you've been feeling tingling hands, weak legs, shaky steps, numb fingers, or a tiredness in your limbs you can't explain, your body may be asking for one simple thing. Collagen. Not pills, not expensive treatments. Just food, real, natural, healing food. Try these 8 collagen snacks. Add them to your daily routine. And say goodbye, slowly, gently, naturally, to tingling hands and weak legs. Thank you for watching. And if you want more natural healing videos, don't forget to subscribe to Natural Healing Culve. Your journey to strength begins with knowledge and continues with the simple healing choices you make every day.